Hey guys, and welcome to a brand new video. Now today I am going to be teaching you how to, I guess I'm trying to teach you how to make sigil core type music. I mean, as you can see, like I literally took a beat, you know, because I haven't produced it before, so it's like different and stuff. But sigil core is, you know, ambient, fast, aggressive, and you know you need certain vocals to be able to get that that punch, the punch that you want. Now this we have two presets this time around. Two presets. This shit works and it's tried and true. Now this time around, if you want to know how to properly get into making this type of music, Discord link in bio. Click the bio. You know, it's not super expensive. All right, sound good. Anyways, back to what I was talking about. Now this preset, if you don't use this preset when trying to make sigil core music, it's going to be ass. Not just that, you have to be able to properly manipulate and utilize your vocals, and this shit takes practice. It takes time. Now you may be thinking to yourself, well, can I do it? Yes, you can do it. You'll be able to do it. Do not be discouraged. Practice. Take your time. You can do it. Just as an example, let me show you my first sigil core type song that I did with this preset right here. Now this right here is the first ever sigil core type song that I tried to do. Now you're gonna see it's not the best, it's not the worst, but I've tried it, and I'm gonna show you the progress of me continuing to do it. All right, and it's only took two tries, and just like that, I got it. All right, 3, 2, 1. Now obviously that's enough of that, but as you can see, wasn't too bad, wasn't too good, but I tried. Correct? I tried, which is what helped with my progress. Now we're gonna go back to this. Listen to this. This is my second try. All I did was just try. Remember, progress. Now let me just show you. Obviously that's enough of that, but as you can see, I tried. And if you think I'm fucking lying to you, if you think I'm lying, you know what, I'll take off the preset for every one of these, just to show you the fucking truth that I'm not lying. Science. I call your ass because I was spying. Don't give a fuck that you're trying. I don't give a fuck if you're trying. Don't give a fuck if you're I hope you guys enjoy this video. Now, I showed you how to do it, right? If you want some extra details, here are the extra details. You need to make sure your voice is ambient, aggressive, gentle, and slow. You heard me go with the right? Because I knew this preset can make it ambient with certain setting, scenario. I guess you could say situation, certain setting, scenario, situation. With a certain setting with the beat, I was able to make it ambient, and I was able to make it punch, which is what made it stand out the most, right? Now, click the link in bio, right? Gonna get the free sauce for cheap. And thank you for watching. Click up top or bottom or wherever for more videos, and thank you for watching.